10 signs to confirm that your partner is cheating on you. In this video I am going to show you the 10 signs to confirm that your partner is cheating on you. But before we begin, consider subscribing and hitting that like button. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything, but it tremendously helps my channel. The 10 signs to confirm that your partner is cheating on you are as follow. 1. Your instincts tell you. Most of the time when you suspect something, it is likely to be happening. You know your partner, his traits, and his habits, so when there is a sudden change in his attitude, don't ignore your instincts, do your own findings. 2. Gets easily offended. If it feels like your man or your girl is waiting for the slightest chance to pick a fight with you, they're probably cheating. He or she stops being warm-hearted and devoted, but instead becomes this cold person you barely recognize. 3. Emotional distance. They isolate themselves from you but not from everybody else. You won't be able to get them to talk to you about their feelings, and they even get angry when you ask about it, but they don't have a problem chatting it up with friends. 4. Sex becomes a duty. They always seem uninterested and sidetracked during sex. Most times they even give excuses not to get into it. Don't be surprised if you get called someone else's name as well. 5. They would rather be anywhere than with you. Before they used to blow off plans for you, but now doing even the silliest of things is more interesting than being with you. He or she would rather hang out with friends or watch random TV shows. In fact, they even prefer spending time at work than with you. 6. Always mentions the end of your relationship. Watch out for some negative comments that they make repeatedly. It may even begin to sound like breaking up with you is their greatest wish. If he or she always threatens to leave or end the relationship even when it's a very minor argument, it means there is a backup plan. 7. They ignore you for a long while. Everything happens on your phone. Look around you. Everyone's phone is within visible distance from them, so if your partner ignores your texts or calls for a long period with no plausible reason, they're likely cheating. In some cases, they may even be boldly unapologetic about it. 8. They keep accusing you of cheating. Out of guilt, they will constantly accuse you of being the one who is cheating, just hoping for dear life that it's true, so you both can be even. 9. You notice new traits in them. From new bedroom moves to new probably very annoying catchphrases that they just won't stop saying, you will notice new habits that they may have picked up from their new side piece. 10. They suddenly become extremely loving and caring. This one is quite weird, but it really happens. They know they're doing you wrong, so they overcompensate for it by being extra good to you. This also makes it hard for you to see through their lies and deceit. They manipulate you into thinking all is rosy. These are 10 signs to look out for in a cheating partner. If you feel that all is not well in your relationship or your guts tell you there's something fishy going on, don't be afraid to ask questions. Take action and put these problems in check before they eat into your relationship and hurt you more than they should. Look out for the next videos in this series. If you like this video, hit the like button. To get notified of my new videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for instant notification.